Hi everyone, I'm Adam Rains. I'm with Fresh Blends North America, here to show off the Fresh Blender. So what we have is an all-in-one beverage platform that can do blended and non-blended drink options. The machine itself has everything that you need to run the program. It has an onboard ice maker, all internal refrigeration, where it takes 8 2-gallon bibs. From these 2-gallon bibs, we're able to create up to 53 different drink options. We have everything spanning from lemonades, coffees, chocolate shakes, smoothies. You name it, we basically have an option out there for everyone, right? Wow. So it's a very fun experience for the consumers to come out and create a smoothie specifically made by them, right? So very easy. We're just going to go ahead and select our category. So we'll go ahead and select medium for today. I put my cup into my dispense area. I press OK. Then what it's going to do, we're going to dispense product, ice, water. And once we're done dispensing, we're going to shuttle over and blend directly in our cup. So the best part is the machine constantly cleans up after itself as well. So while we're blending, we're getting a full rinse across our dispense head and across the bottom to make sure the machine's always clean. Then after about 45 to 60 seconds, depending on the drink option, you'll have a completed drink.